Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to recover deleted notes on iPhone from iCloud. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first guys, we will go to notes, and now I will create a notes just for demonstration. For example here, and for example test 3. Done. Then guys, I will delete this notes. Perfect. Now how I can recover this note from iCloud? Very easy. The first thing, tap on Safari browser, then go to google.com and search for iCloud. Then tap the first website. Then tap sign in, then tap continue. You can continue with passcode. Now wait a moment. Perfect. Now scroll down until find notes. Perfect. Then tap notes and come back, and here you will find recently deleted. Tap on recently deleted and you will find all your deleted notes. So if you delete any notes, you will find it here and you can easily move it to your notes. Okay, so this is how you can recover deleted notes on iPhone from iCloud. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and see you to the next video.